Hey everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can check if your battery is original or it's a fake one while you're buying an iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to settings you need to go to your battery option here. Just tap on it, and after going to battery option you just need to tap on the battery health. If you tap on battery health and if you get a message like this into your phone that the important battery message, your battery health reporting system is recalibrating maximum capacity and peak performance capability. If you got something like this, it means that there is a high chance that battery is replaced for third party and your phone doesn't have an original battery. This is the very first indicator which you can understand, and you might be suspicious that your battery is not original. Another thing which you need to consider is that if your iPhone is 6 months older or a 1 year older iPhone, its battery cycle count is not like 49 as of my case. It will be more than 100 or 200 or 300, and the maximum capacity will be lower than 100%. It will be in mid 90s, or it can be lower than 90%. So another thing which you need to consider is the manufacturing date. For example, if the manufacturing date is like December 2023, it is highly impossible that your battery might retain 100% of the value. So there is a high chance that the battery of your iPhone is replaced. Another thing which you need to consider is just tilt your phone like this, and you see that you just need to check out that your phone is opened or not. As in my case, there is a case which is into the phone. Just check out that if your phone is opened or not, and that these are the only things that you need to check if you are buying a used iPhone, that your phone battery is original or not. I hope this video is helpful in making your fair decision if your phone battery is original or not. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.